Welcome to this review of the Mpow Isnap Y selfie stick. In the box you get a short micro USB charge cable and of course the Mpow Isnap Y selfie stick itself. To charge the selfie stick before use, connect the micro USB cable provided into the micro USB port on the handle, then connect the other end of the charge cable to a USB power source. The Mpow Isnap Y comes pre-installed with a lanyard. This is recommended for use in situations where you may potentially drop the selfie stick and your device, although it can be removed if you choose to do so. The foam mount at the end of the selfie stick can be repositioned by loosening the screw, moving the mount to the position you require, then tightening the screw to secure it back in place. The handle on the selfie stick has a nice quality rubber and is textured for a better grip. To power the selfie stick on and get it ready for pairing, hold the button down for 2 seconds until it starts to flash. Then turn on your Bluetooth and select Mpow Y from the list. Fully extended, the selfie stick reaches 7.24 inches. For the purpose of this video, I will be using it at a shorter length. As you can see, the camera triggers perfectly when pressing the button on the selfie stick. The battery on the Mpow Isnap Y will last over 20 hours on a full charge and at least 4 hours when the low battery indicator is initiated. Connecting your phone to the phone holder is quick and easy. By applying pressure to the clip, your phone will slip into place. And as you can see from this demonstration, it does hold your phone extremely securely, so you don't have to worry about your phone slipping out when the selfie stick is fully extended. The pros of the Mpow Isnap Y are that it has over 20 hours battery life on a full charge. It has a good length reaching 7.24 inches. It holds your phone securely with a strong grip and a good Bluetooth connection. The cons of the Mpow Isnap Y are that the micro USB port is not covered by any sort of waterproof protection. This has been my review of the Mpow Isnap Y selfie stick. A link to this product will be down below in the description. And as always, if you like this video, remember to like, comment and share this video. You can also subscribe for more content.